Would you believe that simple ingredients right in your kitchen can create powerful drinks to warm your stomach, lighten your body, and support overall health? Today, I'll share with you two incredibly simple yet surprisingly effective drink recipes made from banana, ginger, and garlic. Before we begin, which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below to let me know. Let's get started right now. First, the banana. Always prioritize choosing those that are fully ripe. According to Dr. Eric Berg, a highly reputable health expert.
When bananas ripen to the point of having black spots, they are not only sweeter, but also contain significantly higher levels of antioxidants.
Let's peel it off. A great health fact is that ripe bananas are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that acts as a natural shield for your stomach. This is crucial as it soothes the digestive tract. Before we introduce the pungency of ginger and garlic, next, slice the banana into small rounds to get ready for the blending process. An interesting medical fact is that slicing breaks down the plant cell walls, helping to release the rich potassium and minerals inside. As a result, our body can absorb this energy source much faster and easier. Next up is garlic. For this recipe, you only need a few cloves, not the whole bulb. I'll peel them and mince them finely. According to Dr. Alan Mandel, an expert in natural health methods,
you need to crush or mince the garlic to obtain the primary bioactive compound that benefits the cardiovascular system and prevents plaque buildup in arterial walls. After mincing, let it sit in the air for about 10 minutes. This is when the allicin develops and reaches its full potential.
Next is ginger. For this drink, just one medium-sized piece is enough. I use a small brush to thoroughly scrub away any dirt or sand trapped in the crevices. Then slice the ginger into very thin pieces. Ginger is warming, it helps heat the body, supports digestion, and improves blood circulation. Now, all the ingredients are ready. I put the bananas, garlic, and ginger into the blender. Then add 250 milliliters of filtered water. At first, I blend at a low speed for a few seconds to crush the ingredients. Then I speed it up to ensure the mixture is smooth and fully combined. There's a fascinating scientific fact. When banana, ginger, and garlic are crushed together, they create a synergistic effect. The fiber in bananas slows down absorption, prolonging the time garlic's allicin and ginger's gingerol stay in your body, multiplying their anti-inflammatory and vascular protection benefits. Now, pour it into a glass. Look at that smooth and delicious texture. The truth is, blending not only increases the surface area for your gut to absorb nutrients faster, but this smooth texture also completely masks the pungent garlic taste, making it incredibly easy to drink. Finally, add some honey to neutralize the pungent taste of garlic and ginger, making the drink light, sweet, and very easy to drink. A small note, don't put honey in a high-speed blender for too long, as the friction heat can affect its natural enzymes. And we're done. A stomach-warming, body-lightening drink made from ingredients right in your kitchen. By combining banana, ginger, garlic, and honey, we create us a comprehensive, health-supportive blend. I usually enjoy this drink about 30 minutes after breakfast or lunch. Please note, don't let it sit too long. It's best to drink it within 1 to 2 hours of blending to prevent oxidation and nutrient loss. A small tip, if you have a sensitive stomach, start with a small amount to let your body adjust gradually. And remember, never drink this on an empty stomach. Besides, I also love making hot ginger tea on cold days. Today, I also want to share with you a very quick and convenient way to brew ginger tea. Here, I have already peeled the ginger. Instead of slicing, I will use a grater to finely grate the ginger. A scientific fact is that grating maximizes the surface area, allowing gingerol molecules and precious essential oils to be fully and rapidly released many times faster than regular slicing. After that, I put all the grated ginger into the bottle. Next, just add hot water. Cover it and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll have a rich and warming bottle of ginger tea. When the tea is fragrant and has a light yellow color, I pour it into a glass. At this point, I will add a little honey while the tea is still warm, then stir well. Note that we shouldn't add honey to boiling hot water, as temperatures above 60 degrees Celsius will destroy its precious vitamins and enzymes. The aroma of hot ginger mixed with honey is incredibly comforting, especially in the morning or on cold days. I love this way of drinking because ginger warms the body, while the heat from the tea and honey effectively soothes and relaxes the throat. Especially a warm cup in the morning helps the body stay alert and much more relaxed. So with just a few familiar ingredients in the kitchen like ginger, garlic, and ripe bananas, I have a fragrant, warm, and extremely easy to drink beverage. What I love most about this recipe is that it's simple, doesn't take too much prep time, and the ingredients are always right at home. If you also have simple drink recipes or fun kitchen tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. I always love reading your thoughts. Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch the video. Wish you all stay healthy, eat well, and sleep well every day. See you in the next videos.